Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to focus on a new topic called as V-cone blender. In this video, we are going to study regarding the principle, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages of V-cone blender. Let us start the video with the principle of V-cone blender. So V-cone blender, it is also called as twin shell blender. So what is the principle says? So in V-cone blender, mixing achieved due to tumbling action and cascade action. So now what is the meaning of tumbling action? So it is nothing but a gravity driven motion of the V-shaped vessel which will undergo a rotational motion due to gravity. So means this V-cone blender undergoes a rotational movement due to gravity, and it is achieved by the help of motor. Means it will this V-cone blender undergoes a rotation movement. So due to which the powder sample which is present in the V-cone blender is going to mix up, or we can say that is going to blend. So it is going to blend due to the rotational motion of this V-cone blender. And another thing is cascade action. So cascade action means due to rotation, the powder material get lifted to the top and suddenly falls down. This is called as cascade action. So here in this diagram you can see the cascade action means, suppose V-cone blender looks like this and it has the powder sample, and cascade action means, so when this vessel, or you can say the V-cone blender, undergoes a rotation due to by the help of motor, when it is undergoing the rotation movement, what happens when this portion lifted to the top due to rotation, the powder material suddenly falls down. The powder material suddenly falls down. Due to this suddenly falling of the powder, the mixing takes place. So this type of action is called as cascade action. Construction of V-cone blender. So V-cone blender, it mainly consists of two hollow cylinders. So here you can see there are two hollow cylinders which are connected to each other in such a way that it look like V shape. So here in the diagram we can see it is looking like a V shape, and they are connected to each other. Then they are connected to a horizontal shaft. Here in the diagram you can see there is a horizontal shaft. Then this shaft is connected to the motor, which is due to achieve the rotation. This shaft is connected to the motor through which we can go for the rotation of this V-cone blender. Then these V-cone blenders are available in different sizes depending on the volume, ranging from 0.25 to 100 feet. So this V-cone blender is available in different sizes depending on the volume. And the another parts, like it consists of inlets and outlet. Here we can see we can load the sample from the top. Okay, there are two inlets are there. We can load the sample from the two inlets, and product outlet from the in the bottom there is a outlet called as product outlet. Here we can collect the bottom we can, from the bottom we can collect the resultant product. So these are the some different parts of the V-cone blender. Working of V-cone blender. So here the sample is loaded in the V-cone blender through inlet at the top. So in the diagram we can see there are two inlets are there through which we can load the sample from here. So we can load the sample. Then the desired speed is adjusted in the motor so that the to achieve the rotation per minute. So the central shaft is there, which is connected to the motor. So the desired speed is adjusted in the motor. So the motor is not shown here. Due to rotation of the motor, the central shaft also rotates. Due to rotation of the shaft, the V-cone blender also rotates. Due to this rotation, a tumbling action takes place in the blender, so that because of the tumbling action and cascade action, the mixing is takes place. That is, mixing is achieved. So this is the working procedure of the V-cone blender. Advantages of V-cone blender: it offers large capacity and easy to handle, easy to maintain. And disadvantages: it requires more space for the installation and not suitable for very fine particles. Applications: regarding applications of V-cone blender, it is used in the pharmaceutical industry, used in preparation of cosmetics, used in dry powder blending. So these are the applications of V-cone blender.